Okay, so this is the technology element of Project Kansas. I'm not sure whether you can see the dashboard that I've got in my left hand here. If you can just about make it out, there are a number of different performance indicators. At the moment we're showing speed, heart rate, power that James is creating in his cadence. That's the speed he's turning the pedals. And this gives us a view of his performance at any time. So the whole point of Project Kansas is to enable us to have a decision-making mechanism inside the car to help James succeed in completing RAM. So that's where we start with some performance indicators that show how he's working, how hard he's working, and we can then calibrate his effort up a hill or on a particular stage. So the way this technology works is that we've got James's bike, which has a power meter. He's got a HR monitor on his body, and there's also the cadence meter that's on the pedals. On this mobile phone application that was developed by Dimension Data, I'm not sure whether you can see there is a little application that we've opened up, and we sort of synchronize and pair this phone with the HR meter, the cadence meter and the power meter, and that captures all the data for James on the bike. Then it is transmitted wirelessly from that phone to a wireless router that's in the corner of the car here. This is my world, the back of the car, which you can just about see tucked behind the rack there, and that makes sure that all the data comes from the mobile phone back into the system. Finally, we've got a wireless connection from the Surface Pro here, the dashboard, and finally that data is presented in a way that we can use it. And you may have seen on our website, we used this up Wolf Creek Pass with James to manage the amount of power he's doing on a climb that was over 10,000 feet. So this is how the system works. As you can see, it's got to be fairly robust in a fairly interesting environment in the back of this vehicle, but it's worked well, and it has enabled us to actually help James manage his performance and successfully complete RAM, which in itself is a huge achievement.